we go. Nice. First fish of the morning. Hello. All right, buddy. Take it easy. Whew. Take it easy, man. Take it easy, okay? You're good. You are good.
But now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet. Travel back in time, I'm in a vortex, trying to make it work out, think I need more reps. Used to take a bus, now the boy board jets. This kid's got me buzzing like a fucking hornet. They say I got next, tell them that I got now.
Nice.
It's all Disney, boy, my family proud.
Look at you, buddy. Good looking fish right here. Not a bad way, like maybe, you know, third cast, fourth cast. All right, buddy, let's get you back in there, and that way you can go be with your bigger friends here, okay? Okay. Thank you, sir. All right, we're on. First fish of the day.